Hey, what's up everybody? This is Barb from G2S and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing blueberry lemonade mule. You are not going to want to miss this one. I'm using my G2S cocktail shaker set, and here's what I need. A shaker, a jigger, a bar spoon, a reamer, a muddler, and a strainer. So I'm gonna start with the blueberries, and you're gonna need 2 ounces of blueberries, which is the same as 1/4 cup. And if you don't have fresh blueberries like this, you could definitely use blueberries that have been frozen and just thaw them out. I'm gonna put that in the shaker cup, and then I'm gonna give them a good squishing. So next I need lemon juice, so I'm going to go ahead and juice my lemon. So you'll need 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. So next is the vodka, and I'm using a blueberry vodka. But if you don't have that, you could definitely use an unflavored vodka. But if you do, you're gonna wanna bump up the amount of blueberries that you use. I would double it, so that would be 4 ounces or 1/2 cup. So I got to visit the Western Suns distillery this past weekend, and that's a really impressive operation up there. The people are so friendly. It was such a great tour. They have really wonderful products. So if you're not familiar with them and you see this in the store, I would highly recommend trying it because they've got great flavors and products. So I'm going to use 2 ounces of vodka. And next I need to put some ice in the shaker cup. So I'll put the cap on and give it a good shake. And normally I would pour this into a copper Mule mug like this, but I wanted you to see how beautiful this drink is. So I'm going to put it in a glass, and I'm going to use my strainer. But wait, I need to put in 2 ounces of ginger beer, which I'm gonna stir in because we never put anything carbonated in the shaker. So I'm gonna put 2 ounces of the ginger beer and then give that a little stir with my bar spoon. And then I'm just gonna garnish it. That is very refreshing and delicious, and you really get to taste the blueberries, and the lemon is such a perfect complement because it doesn't overpower the blueberry. And I love the ginger beer because it gives it that little zing and a little bit of sweetness, but it's not overly sweet. So this is such a refreshing and delicious summer cocktail. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the like button below and also hit the subscribe button so you're notified when I put more videos out. And thank you so much for watching today. Cheers!